Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with a special trunk show for you today from Tilda Fabrics. Tilda is easily one of my all-time favorite fabric designers, and so many people say the same thing. This amazing Norwegian designer, I think her name's pronounced Tony Finninger, she really designs a couple collections a year, and she takes a deep dive. This is called Creating Memories. It's a really unique collection because there's really something for all 4 seasons. Let's take a look at the quilts. Here are the potted flowers for spring, lovely sailboats we have for the summertime. We know the apples begin to ripen in September. She's put a beautiful project together with the apples. And then behind me for winter, of course, everyone's favorite holiday, Christmas, and all the lovely motifs. These quilts are just next level, not only in design, the quilting, the button embellishments, it goes on and on. Pillows to coordinate as well. So what does this mean for you today? We have decided to make kits of everything on the set. Those fabrics are literally being printed right now, and when we receive those, we'll begin cutting kits. You have the chance right now to head over to the website. For just $10, you can put your name on any one of these kits that you want. And for the quilts, we'll have a coordinating backing option. That's just a $5 deposit. You can also head over there and reserve your pillow kits if you want to have that coordinating look. We've never once offered a kit with Tilda Fabrics, and we know this fabric really comes one time. So if that's you and you're as much in love with this collection as I am, don't delay. Get over there right now. Put the deposits down on the ones you love and know that when that fabric comes in, we're going to get busy cutting, folding, and we'll head that your way. This is really kind of that one chance to have these incredible projects in your own home. Also, while you're at the website, if you want to just be able to be notified when the collection comes in, pick your favorite SKUs, get your name on that list. You're not making any commitment at that point. You'll be one of the first to know when that fabric comes in. So you're getting that notification before we send out our general email. You can pick your favorite fabrics and know that you'll be getting them. The most important thing, though, is these kits are available one time, and many of them in very limited quantities. So reserve your favorite kits, your backing, and I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.